Oh.
What? So then I began to think about all of us. We're different ages, but if you go back 10 years, maybe, or 20 years, do you recognize that person? And I know from myself, if I go back 20 years, I know that I'm a different person. The fact that I can be honest, the fact that I can have days in which I'm loose and funny, I've lost my ambition.
Why do you keep doing that?
I don't have to keep lost.
I'm gonna just wind up and whack it once. Oh, almost.
So I turn around. Turn around, babe. Look, Zoe, play your drums. Oh, standing on your own, standing on your own.
Whoa. It's the drumming. It's the drumming, and that's how you got there. Boom. Boom.
Do you walk around and say, I'm a liberal, I'm a liberal? Do I like to not? Thank you. I had a major change. I went through a major change.
You're a ham. She thinks it's a camera.
Oh.